In gold standard bird 4042, we are full. Good luck. Dice roll. We're going 10 times. Teams first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Again, 10 here, 10 here. Jets up top, Lions at the bottom. 10 times now on your names. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. 10 here, 10 here. Josh up top, Cody at the bottom. Let's sort them out. Jets did not sort. They're at the top. The gold standard bird. Good luck, guys. Here we go. And gold standard early bird. Good luck, good luck. Let's see what we got. Off the back, starting off Julius Brents 45 out of 49 for the Colts and Josh Cox. Next up, Malik Willis, 97 out of 99 for the Titans in Beauville. Nick Bosa, Gold Rush, 260 out of 299, 49ers and John Plua. Trey Tucker, 220 out of 399 for the Raiders and Cody Basinger. There you go, Cody. Josh Jacobs, 23 out of 299 Gold Gear, another one for the Raiders and Cody. Next up, we've got Dorsey Levens, Midas Touch, 43 out of 49 for the Packers and Cody Basinger. Midas Touch Ink to 49, Dorsey Levens. Last card of the break, RPA Tank Bigsby, 182 out of 199 for the Jacksonville Jags and Michael Merrick. There you go, Michael on the board. Michael Merrick on the Tank Bigsby, RPA. And recap it. We got Bigsby on the RPA, Dorsey Levens, Midas Touch, Jacobs, Trey Tucker, Nick Bosa, Malik Willis, and Julius Brents to 49. That is the break, gentlemen. Thanks for the fill.